Hello there and welcome to FX Street, Currencies in Play, brought to you by Royal Financial Trading. I'm joined by Eddie Tofpik, who's Head of Foreign Exchange at ADM Investor Services. Not a difficult name to say for most people.
It's easy enough.
Yeah, as easy as ABC. Eddie, are we going to just sort of quiet summer mode on the currency markets?
Well, if others aren't, I will be, because I'll be going on holiday very shortly. So yeah, I think we're starting to sort of get that sort of feel. The weekend's been particularly good in Northern Europe, so a lot of people are starting to think about that.
Okay, let's have a look at the headlines that we've got. Dollar yen above 114 as Bank of Japan ultra loose policy to continue. Euro dollar hits resistance around 114.20, and pound dollar around 129. Friday's IMM spec market short pound for 8 months now. So the smart money's short of the pound.
I'd say that's not an unreasonable look at it, because we've seen some interesting activity. All those three are actually interesting in their own particular ways. The Bank of Japan, because Abe's had his lowest approval rating, I think, for quite a while. It's like 31 point something or other change on it. So he's actually looking not that great, though I still think if he steps up his game, he can do it. More of the arrows. The resistance 114.20, that 114.50 area, there's a lot of resistance. We'll go into a little bit on that, but there's a lot of resistance up there at that level.
Let's have a look at that. I mean, you can see there that so far it's just grinding higher. I mean, there's no particular reason. Is there any particular, where do you get the 114.50 from?
Well, this is dollar yen on this one.
Yeah.
The 114.50 is the June 2015 downtrend.
Right.
That's the one that whacks into the market and hitting. Now, we tried once up there, came close to it. Depends how thick your crown is, how thick the line is. We came back off again. We rallied again recently on late last week, but we didn't get quite the same high. As you can see there, we're not quite up to the same sort of level. Not very much. Well, it's yen actually, but there's a nice double bottom there on that one as well. But not so much a resistance level on the euro dollar. It came down a little bit further, so hence the downtrend is actually active, and then that came back off again. If we don't get through that very, very soon, I think that there is the chance of possibly going to go down quite rapidly.
Okay, and then euro dollar from the intraday perspective. We'll try and get the daily first, but
good Lord, look at that yen.
So we've been on the daily chart. We're consolidating what above.
You see those highs, the two highs there. The first one's higher than this one, so it's lower highs. Okay, higher lows as well, but it's finding some resistance around that 114.50 area, and it's a dynamic level, so it's getting lower all the time.